So Big Churn, tell us why you're wearing the glasses.
Well, first up, double V to Victorville, making it happen. You know, they call me Big Churn because I have a big responsibility to oversee this churn reduction. And our results are so stellar, it's blinding my eyes. So that's why I had to get my lokes on.
Wonderful. Well, tell me, what is the difference between our saves and disconnects per 100?
Well, you know, our goal is to save 100% of our customers. So basically, when I look at a save, you know, for every 100 calls that come in, then for every one that we save, you know, hey, if we don't do a disconnect, it doesn't hurt us, right?
Right.
That's what we're going after. So, you know, when we look at our controllable disconnects, and that's a whole different story. Right there, I'm looking at the fact that TV makes my sales stickier, it keeps my customers around. So what I want to do is make sure anyone where I have control over what happens with them, that's my controllable churn. And in my office, no more than 17 a day. That's what's up with Big Churn.
That's our objective, 17 a day?
17 a day.
So what tools do we have in place to help us reach our objectives?
Well, you know, I'm not going to have my people out there without giving them the skills to do what they got to do. First of all, we start with the 4 R's, making sure that we're doing the things like, you know, right sizing, restating the value, because we have the best thing out there. You know, we're going to rebundle with the cow offers, you know, and if need be, we're going to retain. We're going to throw some money at them, make it rain, but we're going to keep them with Verizon. So we have some tools out there. We also have some out there I really love, man. They call it Easy Stay, because like a lot of people, they go to buy something, right? They get buyer's remorse. Well, a lot of people, when they start to disconnect with files, they get disconnected remorse. They get counselor's remorse. So what we do is we go ahead and put it on our dime a lot of times, right? We're going to go ahead and we're going to extend it out 3 business days, give them some time to think about it. If they push back, then that dime is on me. I'm going to pay for it.
So when does the saving process come into play?
Save it, man. I'm telling you, those guys are off the chain, right? So if I'm there and I need to fix something, we have some processes in place so that if I can't get it fixed, then I'm going to engage them. We're going to partner. We're going to collaborate and find out what does it take to save this customer. So it doesn't matter if they can't pay their bill and I got to reach out to CFS, or maybe something just isn't working right. Man, we have tight people over in FSC. I'm going to get them on Save It. And when all else fails, I got my boy Phil Galindo out there in Oxnard. Yeah, they're tight. CSSC. We're going to make it happen.
Well, how does this all tie back to our big 3 for the office?
Now, you know our big 3 are important, right? FCR. F for FCR right off the bat, right? We want to make sure we take care of things on the first call. When they come into our customer service reps, we got to handle it. Secondly, when we look at our C, what is C? Churn. They call me Big Churn. I already talked to you about how important that is. We're going to knock that down 50%, 2013, baby. And then we have our R. That's still going to be our revenue. We're always going to turn it around and make sure we get wallet share. Because when our customers spend money with us, they're sowing seed in good ground.
Very good. This is all interesting, Big Churn. So is there any closing remarks to this?
Closing remarks, I just want to give a shout out to my peeps out there at Victorville. I'm telling you, it's a mighty call center, whether we're taking copper sales calls, we're taking these elite retention calls. We know we give world-class customer experience, and we're going to drive churn down. Big Churn here. Love ya. Double V.